In this video, I will be showing you how to upload your electronic plans once you have submitted a project application. When you've submitted the application, it will then bring you to this Upload Electronic Plans page. This is where you're going to upload your drainage plan, plat, drainage study. You will go ahead and click on the green arrow button, and you will go and choose the items in which you're wanting to upload. They will upload on the left-hand side here. This plan categories area right here. When you have submitted a drainage plan application, it will say drainage plan, and it will say plat for a plat application, and so forth. It can take a minute for the documents to load. But once they are loaded, you will be able to click and make sure that all the right pages have been uploaded. And if for whatever reason there is a certain page in this that you are not wanting to include within your submittal, you can just press on the X here to delete it. And you can always re-upload using this green arrow again. I did a batch upload, so this was a PDF that had multiple pages. You can do batch uploads, or you can do upload an individual page one by one. Either way is fine. But once all the pages have been uploaded, you will click on the continue button. The next step it will bring you to is the supporting documentation step. And this is where you can upload any support documentation that you would like the district engineer to review or think will be helpful in his review process. You just click on the upload button. I do want to mention that these are all the documents that we accept through this form. If you have a document that is not one of these, you will need to put it in a zip folder, and I'll show you an example now. You'll click on the upload button, and this support documents one, you can see that it is in a zip folder, and that's because these are models. So these are documents that are not one of these. However, and you can submit any type of document on here. It's just if it's not these in particular, you need to put it within a zip folder. And then I will show you an example of a regular document. This is a PDF. It'll upload the exact same way. All right, and once you have the support documents that you want uploaded in there, you will click continue. And it will then bring you to step 3 of stage sheets. We require a sheet ID and a sheet drawing date. So you can see this is sheet 1, sheet 2, 3, and 4. Please click on the increment button here, and you will start off by number 1. Click increment, and it will then give a sheet ID for each page. This is the only way that you need to do it. So automatically you will click on increment, start at 1, and it will then automatically number your sheets. The second requirement is the drawing date. So you would choose the drawing date for each sheet. I'm going to choose today. And if all the sheets have the same drawing date, go back to page 1, you have this apply to all button. You can click that, and it will apply that drawing date to all the sheets as well. Previously in the webinar that we did, it also had the sheet title. However, MyGov has made some updates, and we have made it to where you do not have to put in a sheet title. The only requirements we have is the sheet ID and the drawing date. And again, for sheet ID, please use this increment button. All right, once you have the sheet ID and drawing date for all of the pages, you will click save. It's important that you save your work. That way you don't have to redo this should you have to go back to step 1 or 2. So we've saved it and now we can continue. It will bring you to an overview of all the sheets that you have uploaded, the IDs and the title, which is automatically drainage plan. They're all drainage plan sheets, and the drawing dates. And whenever you've confirmed that the information is correct, you will click submit plans. And once you have done the EPR upload step, it will bring you to your project folder. So this is what the individual project folder will look like. Here is the project number, and this will have the title. And you can see the step 1 of application request has been accepted. We have received your application, and you are now on step 2 of application review. So this is where a staff member, and the staff member assigned is Daniela Garza. This is where they are going to be reviewing your application. And once they have reviewed your application and accepted it, you'll then move to step 3 of payment due. And that's where we will assign the review fee.